Hello, YouTube world, and anybody that should happen to be watching my stuff. I got this at Walmart, and kind of feels heavy, so I'm hoping I get one of the ones with resin. So let's see what I got. And it is the Mini Brands Minis. So the magnet is the double colored donut. I don't think I got that one. Nope. Move that. Alrighty, got another fruit tray. That's okay. Can't have enough fruit trays, and you can also use these in some of the resin kits. So yeah, always keep your extras. And we got turkey. I don't know if there's like a color code, like why some are yellow and why some are green. Ooh, that one feels heavy. We'll save it for last. See, soft pretzels. Lego my Eggo. We got some Eggo home style waffles, or waffles, as my dad likes to say. Alright. Feels like a bottle of something. Turmeric shot. Oh, I've still got some of those. Alright, let's see what this one is. Oh, I think I got the tiramisu. Yeah, I don't have this one. Let's see, yep. It's the tiramisu. Oh my god. I'll have to make this on a separate video because they take a while. Instructions. Yeah, like who needs instructions? Hang on. We'll see what else is in here first. So we got two little... Oh, wait a minute. Top. Look at that top. Oh, it's got two different color tops. I got it. Alright. And whoop. I've got the mini. And, oh, we ain't even putting it in anything. We just gonna look like a turd coming out of there. So, okay, yeah. So let's put that back in there because, yeah, that's gonna... Okay, well, I guess I have to make it now because if I don't, that sand is gonna dry out. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Let's see what we've got to do. I've got those too. I just haven't made them yet. All right. Oh, those are the toppings. Oh, I got it. Put that one in, that one. Oh, you kind of layer it up, and then put some of that. To me, it looked like dirt, but anywho. And then you can Either use the fridge or use your own or stick it outside, whatever you want. So, all right. So we've got, again, recap. We got the tiramisu with the resin. And we got turkey, fruit tray, Lego My Egos, some soft pretzels, and another turmeric shot. So, thanks for watching. Oh, wait a minute. I guess we could put them up. Let's see, we'll put the turmeric shot right in there. Put the fruit tray up there. Go ahead, put the deli ham. Let's go ahead and put our pretzels. And our waffles in there. All right, now good. Thanks for watching.